bird started out a black boy, trying to find his name and call it wingspan. His feathers are forgotten fathers who fell to flames. Less phoenix, more albatross. Somebody ever told you niggas you can't grow wings through lashes on your back? Black boy perched on nest called existence, which seems to be the distance from the ground to the largest tree. Thinks flight be success, figures falling is just flying in reverse. He knows dive into systematic oppression. He suffers so silent that it sounds like he break his fall on shame, hatred. He whistler, he rapist, even when he makes no sound and touches no one. He rapper, he fly high, all lies. He fall in his bird song, be a Jim Jones. So he drank the Kool-Aid, digest the dick of diabetes down his beak. Still ain't found his name yet. The reason owls say who is because their being's an unanswered question, like who brought me to this country of hate? Whose his story belong to? Because his story is not mine. His story is a Halloween when I wear the Holocaust costume. Black boy broke his leg falling from trees so much they figure hanging him will give the same effect without his legs ever being broken. You ain't ever gonna fly, blackbird, keep that Nina demeanor. Circle of life, you meant to be worm food. You meant to be worm food, so eat worm. Bottom feeder, death eater, keep your diet of cotton coffins and crucifixes down your gullet. You're not a swallow, but swallow. You're not a pharaoh, you despair, the sparrow. You're the hydrate in a world full of water. Can't find a way to quench your thirst, you desert eagle. You vulture off the flesh of your dead brother, you be cannibal canary. So they put you in a cage with other batted birds who got better at firing and forgot flying, who traded in their bird songs and got nothing in return. This is how you rob a flock of their voices. Such an unkindness. Quote you ravens, never more. Black boy, you so Black boy, you so po. You a murder of crows, a pigeon of piss, gliding in an abyss. No matter how many of you came to the north for freedom, all birds return south for the winter. You a Jim Crow.
Damn.
Trying to migrate home. The other day, I saw a black boy trying to find himself. He touched his back, and he couldn't feel his wings, too busy breaking his neck on stainless windows shaped like fame and pride and prayers and failure and freedom and success and sports and dying and dying and dying and dying and dying. And then one day, I had this bird revelation that maybe niggas only fly when they're angels. Or maybe we do it because we know the sky is ours and we'll be sore for a second if we can only just soar for a second. Maybe we're always flying. And this world is so jealous that they try to bring us down so they paint the sky to look like the ground. Maybe taking flight is as simple as letting go of all this pain and holding on to my glory till I move up 100 stories, made up of 100 stories of my survival, and then die. Instead of die, I'll fly. The prince of my own sky, so now I can be a dove. Doesn't cry.
Woo.